Hi everyone, welcome to Life in France with James and Jason.
I'm Jason.
And I'm James. Welcome to Life in France.
Look, Mummy, flat like a pancake.
Is there any air in those armbands, Jason?
No.
And what are you going to do?
Swim with it.
Oh, let's go then. Well done. Keep going. No air in those armbands at all. And he's just swimming a length, Mummy. Bravo, Jason. How did that feel?
Good.
Easy?
Yes. I have to do another.
Go. Keep going, keep kicking those legs, moving those arms. Jason learning to swim. Well done, big boy.
Dad, I'm going to swim with no armbands.
Coming in. Keep going, don't stop. Almost there, keep going. Oh, you're amazing, Jason. Well done. You can now officially swim. Woohoo! How's it feel?
Boy, well done. To your length without armbands. Well done. Well done.
What's your challenge, James?
My challenge is to reach 30 lengths.
That's it. And we're just stopping at 20 at the moment,
Yeah.
but you done 22 by mistake today, didn't you?
Yeah. Please subscribe to our channel.